Hi friends, in this problem we are given an arithmetic progression. In the progression, the sum of all terms except the first term is minus 36. The arithmetic progression is decreasing, right? And the sum of all terms except the last term, a1 plus a2 plus all plus up to an minus 1, except the last term is 0. And it is also given a10 minus a6. 10 minus 6 is minus 16. What is the first term? Right. This is pretty straightforward problem. We just need to use the basic formula of what is an, what is a1, what is the sum, etc. Let's see how. Now it is given a10 minus a6 equals minus 16. What is a10? A10 is a1 plus 9d or a6 plus 4d. Right. A6 and a10. A6 plus 4d is equal to a10. Right. And then a6 plus 4d minus a6 equals minus 16. What does that mean? 4d equals minus 16. D means minus 4, which means this sequence is in decreasing order, which is already given. Now d is minus 4. Let us use the first two equations, right? Now first if we subtract the first equation from the second equation, then what will be left? This a2, a3, a4, everything will cancel out. If here also a2, a3, a4, everything is there. Here a1 is missing and a9, an is extra. So a1 minus an, right? That becomes 0 minus 36, which is 36. Right. Then if we expand this, we will get a1 and a1 will get cancelled. We will get minus of n minus 1 d equals 36. Right. This is one part of the story. Right. Another part of the story is this. D equals minus 4. If you substitute this d equals minus 4 here, that becomes n minus 1 times 4 equals 36. That means n equals 36 by 4, 9. So 9 plus 1, which is n equals 10. Okay, so now we know how many terms are there. There are 10 terms. Now sum of these 10 terms, or let's directly use this one, sum of 9 terms. This is 9 terms, right? Sum of first 9 terms, when d equals minus 4 is equal to 0. So n by 2, what is the sum of n terms or n minus 1 terms of an arithmetic progression? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? When n equals 9, this becomes 9 by 2 into 2a plus 8 into d. What is d? Minus 4. Right? So this becomes 2a minus 32 equals 0. That means a equals 16. Right? So a1 is the first term. So the first term is actually 16. Right, guys? This is a simple problem. You just need to use the very basic formula. Right? How to express each term in some other term, and what is the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Thank you, guys.